how to download YouTube TV on your old Samsung Smart TV. So here are a few steps in order to bypass this, or actually to have YouTube TV on that specific model. So you have to check first if YouTube TV is available on your TV. So press the home button, open the Samsung apps or Smart Hub and search for YouTube TV. If found, select it and click to install and launch the app and log into your YouTube TV account. So if the app does not appear to search, it's likely your TV model is too old or not supported for YouTube TV. So if it's not available, there are a few alternatives. The first one is to use Google Chromecast. So this is the best option for older TV. So plug the Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port, connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your phone or PC, and open the YouTube TV app on your phone or Chrome browser. Tap the cast icon and choose your TV, which is the one that you want to connect it to. So the second is to use a streaming device. So any of these plug into HDMI and support YouTube TV. So you have the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you have the Roku, you have the Apple TV, and the Chromecast with Google TV. So once connected, go to the device App Store, install YouTube TV, and sign it in. And finally, the last two is to connect laptop or phone via HDMI. So these steps over here, and screen mirroring if supported. So some older TVs support screen mirroring like Miracast. On your smartphone, go to Smart View, Samsung, or Cast Screen, Android. Select your TV mirror to the screen and open YouTube on your phone. So hopefully the alternatives can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.